everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a special day. We're on our way to Tennessee, on our way to Dragon. We got some pretty badass cars, guys. Badass cars in this trip. Check it out. We got a Mustang. We got a Mustang. We got a Hellcat. Got a cat eye. Got a Camaro. And we got a Golf. Yeah, I brought the GTI. Yeah. So, but we got another one we really haven't shown ever on the channel. Is that a Supra? Yep, we got a Supra here too, guys. So, brand new. My buddy Rob just got it. He's got the RS3 also, and we're on our way to Tennessee. On our way up to the Dragon. We're gonna hit the road, all those awesome roads with all these pretty cool cars. Yes, I brought the GTI. Mustang's just too much of a pain in the ass to travel with it anymore. E85, I don't feel like changing, going back to 93 or running the flex fuel tune. I just screw it. And the GTI is gonna be more than fun up there, up in those mountain roads. So there it is, guys. So hope you guys enjoy this. We're gonna have some fun on the road. Hopefully we won't get in too much trouble, and it should be a lot of fun, guys. So stay tuned. Try it, I'll get close. Give it a little gas, this is weak. Bring your radio. It helps a lot, especially when you see the popos. So it helps a ton. Doing these kind of things with your friends, always a good time. And everybody gets along. Everybody got different cars. No hate. Everybody has fun. And when your wife has a cool car, it helps. That car sounds good. Never know what's gonna happen. This many cars, anything can happen. So it's a good looking car. I like that Cadillac. And we're doing Turbo V6 Pearls now. He's the one that had the Audi. That's George's car. That's a Performance Pack 2. I think 18 or 19 GT. We got, look at all that noise. Oh, he loves his new car. He loves his new car. He's having fun though. I'm glad he got it. He's happy with that car. I'm glad he got it. We're almost out of the state of Florida. You don't want another GTI. Look at this view, our first gas stop. Not a bad view. Nope, not a bad view at all. Hey, let's try to put it in 6th gear. Let's try to put it in 6th gear. We need to use it.
I like the way it sounds better in 5th gear.
Yeah. $24. That's not bad. They probably take about the same as me. What did I take? I took 23.
That was on.
Yeah.
That was only had 100 miles left.
That's pretty good.
So they got like 11 gallon tank.
That's doing damn good. This car looks good. All right, guys. We're on the second leg. On our way to Atlanta. Got about 3 hours left. So, had some good food, some barbecue. Sounds so good. The car sounds so damn good. Performance Pack 2 Mustang, and he's a driver. Gearz can drive. And going up here to the Dragon, this is the kind of stuff he lives for. So, I think it's the first time he's taken it in anything like this. It's pretty cool. It's a great looking car. Guys, absolutely gorgeous night. I mean, well, not really night, like evening. I mean, look at that, beautiful. It is, I don't know if you can see it, but 72 degrees. 72 degrees. We've been dealing with the Florida hot summer, and it's finally starting to feel something cool. And just seeing the view of these cars going down the road. Going down the road is so awesome. Everybody is having a good time. All the cars are running good. Then we'll shut the hell up. It's very cool. Awesome. Y'all should try this. Get together with your friends, your family, whatever. Go do a road trip. Just go find a destination, go do a road trip. Just have some fun with the cars. It doesn't always have to be just going to Mexico or drag racing or the track or whatever. Have fun. There's so much to do. It's awesome. How do you know it's working?
What?
So you know what's working?
Is that a question?
Yeah, I'm asking you a question. My Apple CarPlay.
I do.
downtown. We're all lined up. One thing we don't got over there much, they got some pretty decent, I guess, bridge tunnels. So we're gonna make a little bit of noise. A little bit of traffic, hopefully it's not too bad. But we should be able to be alright.
Right 3 lanes. Your other left. Starboard side.
All right, guys, we made it to the hotel right outside Atlanta, and all good, no problems. All the cars ran great. Everybody's all tuckered out. There are the cars. So we're gonna start early in the morning on the next video, and it should be a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun just driving up here. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of stuff going on, but it is what it is. I mean, we're kind of going in the middle of the week, so. But overall, it was fun. A lot of cool cars on the road. We had most of them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.